We still have a few more layers to look at. One is the one for trains, which shows all the train tracks in California coded by volume. So if I click on one of these here, for instance, I can see that's a Union Pacific track, and it's got a pretty high volume. I can look at earthquakes. This is a complete list of all earthquakes in the recorded history with a magnitude of 4.0 or above. They're color-coded by age and by intensity, or magnitude rather. So if I click on an earthquake, I can get all the relevant information about that particular earthquake. I can look at cities, and of course the more I zoom in, the more small cities I see along with their names. And for each city we have the population in 2000, which is the most recent information for most of them. Interesting is the active mines. This is basically a complete list of all the currently active mining operations, whether for crushed stones or sand and gravel or gold for that matter, along with the company record for that particular mine. We also have old mines, which are somewhat less reliable but still interesting because it gives you an idea where open pits and gravel pits and things of that nature might be. Not a whole lot of volcanic activity in California, relatively. Most of these data points are in the Sierras, such as, for instance, the Long Valley caldera. And finally, we have a fairly significant number of potassium-argon age data points, and each data point has a fair amount of details.